Hi, I'm Neeraja and I'm graduated from Electronics and Computer Engineering, that is the ECM department from KLEF. During the campus placements, I was selected for Infosys. Right now, I'm working as systems engineer at Infosys. Let me tell you some pros of joining the ECM. The branch has the core subjects of both electronics and computers. So there are more chances like students can attend the placements of both IT and electronics related companies. This is the only branch that teaches Internet of Things, that is IoT, which is a booming field right now. As an added advantage, the department also has dedicated lab for IoT with the latest kits. And in the final year, the students can select one of these particular streams as per their interest, like IoT, web designing, and embedded systems. So they can gain in-depth knowledge on one of these particular streams based on their selection. And I must mention about the high placement rates at the campus. And I strongly believe that a student can't succeed until and unless he has the best faculty. And ECM has the best, well experienced, and many PhD holders as the faculty. I strongly recommend ECM is one of the best branches to join. Thanks a lot for the entire team.
Hi, this is Shiv Prasad. I had studied in KL University from 2013 to 2017 and I had passed out in 2017. By the time I am passing out, I am having 5 offer letters in my hand and I had choose L&T as my company and I had done specialization in this department as web programming and I had when I go to the job, I had choose as embedded programming as my domain in there. Why? Because I had chosen an embedded domain. I was come from an electronics and computers background and it was very helpful for me. We will learn so many things in this KL University. I had learned from electronic side we will be having embedded domain as our specialization, Internet of Things. Computer side also we will be having web programming and electronics and computers we will be having this embedded domain, and we will be having different kinds of tools like LabVIEW, test, and all these will be provided by National Instrumented. I had learned in KLU, and in web programming stream we will be using like Java, C++, Microsoft Visual Studio. All these tools we will be using, or languages, all these we will be using in web programming stream. I learned all these in KLU and I had very good understanding skills after I going for job, and I enjoy very much.
Hi everyone, I am Kosana Aditya Srinivas, BTech in Electronics and Computer Science Department. Choosing KL University was one of my best decisions I ever took. I feel grateful for being able to explore my engineering life. I would like to take an opportunity and extend my gratitude to each and everyone who involved in my placement process. And I would like to thank my faculty, management and placement cell for showing me the clear career path and guiding me in the right direction to get placed. Their unmatched passion to give the best to the students will forever cherish. In ECS department, I have gained knowledge in both electronics and computers. This helped me a lot in the preparation of my placement, and my faculty helped me in the tough situations. I got multiple offers. Currently, I am working in Ultimetric with 5 lakhs per annum. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Hello guys, hope everyone is doing good. This is Lalita Sai Jasti of KL University Y17 batch from the Department of ECS. I am very grateful to the Department of Electronics and Computer Science for making me stand out unique in the competition. With the support of my department and faculty, I have been placed in 6 different companies, and right now I am ready to take up the role of programming analyst at Cognizant. Department has played a really important role in making me achieve this. Just like any other student, I too was keen in taking up CSC after my intermediate. I got to know about this branch only 20 minutes before my counseling. With my father's suggestion, I took up this branch and have never regretted this decision of mine. The kind of care and support we received from the department is remarkable. I proudly say that ECS is the only department to have an industrial visit to ISRO. The interaction of faculty with the students is always inspiring. They kept on pushing me beyond my limits, which made me crack all these jobs. This unique system of project-based lab have gave me a lot of industrial exposure. The kind of student committees and student bodies that are there in the department are impeccable.
Hi, this is Nicholas Subbarao. I am currently working in Morgan Stanley and my parent company is Wiley M3. My role is IT support specialist and my package is 5 lakhs per annum. I am from ECS department from KL University and I have to got a lot of support from our department faculty who helped me to achieve this job. In ECS department, I have gained both electronics and computer knowledge. For the placements, our department has held many sessions and classes how we can get a job and achieve in it. In this pandemic situation also, they helped in a lot of ways such as online classes etc. So finally what I am gonna say is if you want to gain both electronic and computer knowledge you can achieve it in ECS department. And if you want any kind of support for placement, the faculty and the branch will always be with you. Yeah, thank you.